When spring unfolds the beechen leaf and sap is in the bough, when light is in the wildwood stream and wind is in the brow, when stride is long and breath is deep and keen the mountain air, come back to me, and say my land is fair. When spring is come to garth and field and corn is in the blade, when blossom like a shining snow is in the orchard laid, when shower and sun upon the earth with fragrance fill the air, I'll linger here, I will not come, because my land is fair. When summer lies upon the world and in the noon of gold, beneath the roof of sleeping leaves the dreams of trees unfold. When woodland halls and green and cool the wind is in the west, come back to me, and say my land is best. When winter comes and singing ends, when darkness falls at last, when broken is the barren bough and light and labour past, I'll look for thee, I'll wait for thee, until we meet again. Together we will take the road beneath the bitter rain. Together we will take the road that leads into the west, and far away we'll find a land where both our hearts may rest.
Matt, there's so many things I adore about you. How genuine and kind-natured you are. How you're passionate and determined, resourceful and knowledgeable. Equal parts serious and free-spirited. How you live your life purposefully. You really are an exceptional person. I promise to always support you, be grateful for you and love you unconditionally.
Sim, we've had such an incredible adventure together so far, and I don't want it to ever end. Life without you is quite frankly impossible to imagine, and I consider myself truly one half of a whole. I promise to be by your side, continue this adventure together, to elevate you when you're down, and to celebrate everything with you, especially the small things. I love you.
Matt and Sim, may your love flow from here like a gentle river, steady and unwavering, carving its path through the landscape of life. You've drunk from your cup of unionship and exchanged your rings, adding a pivotal and joyous moment to your love story. May you look back on today with much happiness and use it to fill your hearts and nurture your spirit when challenges arise. With your souls entwined and hands clasped, may your love story go forth and flow endlessly, rich with adventure and grace. You are now united in love and marriage, so Mr. and Mrs. Nodes, I invite you to close the ceremony with a kiss.
Close and loving relationship with Simone. She's caring, she has a huge amount of empathy, which I've found useful in my life. She has a great sense of fun, and in Matt, I think she's found a perfect foil.
Although we're not blood, Sim is the daughter I would have wanted. She's a truly wonderful person who I basically love with every part of my body.
Sim, to this day, your abounding convivial energy, your curious and often childlike sense of wonder, your beauty, your emotional intelligence and your monumental capacity to find joy, even in the simplest of things, will continue to inspire me greatly, as it always has done. You bring light when there is darkness in my life, you've supported and pulled me through the tough times. I love you, Sim, and I'm so happy we found each other, and I'm looking forward to spending the rest of our lives together.
I've been lucky enough to have grown by your side and to have shared 13 amazing years with you. You enhance the already beautiful things, make the mundane fun and the bad times better. So thank you. For the joy you've brought into my life, for who you are and for the partner you are to me. I couldn't be prouder to be your wife, and I'm excited to experience more moments big and small with you. I love you so much. So here's to us, babe.
they've actually been together for 13 years, which is longer than your average marriage, is testament to the fact they got it right. Raise your glasses to Sim and Matt, and may they have a long and happy life together.
You are the best friend I've ever had. I'm so glad that you found your person, and what an exceptional person he is. Let's raise our glasses to Sim and Matt. May their lives be filled with happiness and an unbreakable bond.
Everybody rise and give a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Nodes.